As Customer Service Week comes to a close, businesses across the globe celebrate the efforts made to enhance customer interactions and strengthen relationships. This week-long focus often brings about invigorating changes, training sessions, workshops, and renewed commitments to exceptional service. However, as the dust settles, many organizations find themselves slipping back into old habits. Here's a look at why this happens and how businesses can maintain the momentum built during Customer Service Week. During Customer Service Week, businesses rally around the importance of customer satisfaction. Employees engage in team-building activities, management expresses gratitude for frontline staff, and customers are showered with appreciation. This atmosphere fosters enthusiasm and a renewed focus on delivering excellent service. But what happens when the week ends? The excitement of Customer Service Week often fades quickly. Employees may feel motivated during the celebrations, but struggle to maintain that energy once the festivities are over. Without ongoing encouragement and reinforcement, it's easy for good practices to fall by the wayside. Many companies implement new strategies or initiatives during Customer Service Week. However, if there's no accountability or follow-up, these efforts can become forgotten. Regular check-ins and assessments are essential to ensure that new practices are integrated into everyday operations. Employees often revert to familiar routines that may not align with the customer-centric culture promoted during the week. This can happen unintentionally. The pressures of daily tasks may lead staff to prioritize efficiency over exceptional service. Strategies to maintain momentum. To prevent slipping back into old habits, businesses can take proactive steps to sustain the momentum gained during Customer Service Week. First, continuous training. Ongoing training and development programs should be established to reinforce the principles highlighted during Customer Service Week. This could include regular workshops, online courses, or lunch and learn sessions to keep customer service at the forefront. Second, employee recognition. Acknowledge and reward employees who continue to exemplify outstanding customer service. Recognizing these efforts can motivate others to follow suit and create a culture of excellence. Third, customer feedback loops. Implement systems for gathering customer feedback consistently. Analyzing feedback can help identify areas for improvement and ensure that customer voices are always heard. Fourth, regular check-ins. Schedule regular meetings to review customer service goals and progress. This keeps the focus on service excellence and allows for adjustments as necessary. Finally, lead by example. Management should consistently model customer service best practices. When leaders prioritize customer satisfaction, it sets the tone for the entire organization. Conclusion. Customer Service Week serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of exceptional service in business. However, the challenge lies in maintaining that focus beyond the week. By implementing strategies to sustain the enthusiasm and commitment to customer service, businesses can create a lasting impact, ultimately leading to increased customer loyalty and satisfaction. Remember, exceptional customer service isn't just a week-long initiative, it's an ongoing journey that requires dedication, accountability, and a genuine desire to meet and exceed customer expectations. Let's strive to keep the spirit of Customer Service Week alive all year round.